How to send location on WhatsApp from Google Map. You can share your Google Map location, live location to the WhatsApp. So I will show you on my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, here I'm on my Android phone. So first you have to open the map. So I just open my map here. Okay. So now your location should be on. This location should be on. It will be on, but you have to on first. Now click on this icon where the Google will find out your location. Click on it, then your location will be find out. Now you can share it. Just click on this profile photo. Okay, and here you find the option like location sharing. Click on it and just click on share location, and from here you can share the real-time location like until 5:30 for 1 hours. You can increase for 2 hours, 3 hours. You can share the location for 5 years, or until you turn off your this location option. Okay, or until you turn off this off. Okay, so I just select the 5 hours, and now I can select the people's. Okay, here you can see people's my WhatsApp people, and here I can share on WhatsApp. Just click on WhatsApp and click on share. So my WhatsApp will be open. Now I have to select the peoples from here where I have to send my location of this person, and just click on next. So my location, my current location of Google Map will send on WhatsApp. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for subscribing.